Hey guys, how you doing? So I'm staying in this lovely little shepherd's hut. Very limited facilities. I'll show you where. Absolutely middle of nowhere. So I'm going to do a creamy white wine pasta with some chicken I've got. I'll show you guys how to do it. Literally, bar and a drink and cooking. There's not much more to do. The ring absolutely take it down. Okay, so we've got 250 grams of fresh tagliatelle, 1 tomato, 1 red pepper, garlic, we won't use all the garlic, onion, we've got some nice hard Italian cheese here, depends which one you like, flavour, we've gone for a stronger one here, 150ml of double cream, 200ml-ish of wine, 2 pieces of locally sourced smoked bacon, and 2 chicken breasts, along with, of course, some seasoning. That's it, as simple as that. So as that bacon's crisping there, what I'm going to do is going to take that out, let it rest. Because I've got chicken breast with skin on it, I'm actually going to put the skin on the breast into the pan, let it crisp up, just so it's nice and tasty. While I'm doing that, dicing the pepper, dicing the tomato, dicing the onion, 2 cloves of garlic.
Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can know.
So, onion, peppers, garlic in, softened. So what we're going to do now, chop the bacon, chop the chicken, put that in, cover in the white wine, let that reduce back a bit, and we're nearly there. Make sure by now that you've put your boiling pan on for your fresh pasta. And yeah.
We're doing wrong. God will change it. I would like to tell you my mystery. I would like to go with you.
So once you've added the cream, the tomatoes, give it 5 minutes, get your pasta in. So once your pasta's on and everything's looking a good consistency and how you like it, if it's not thick enough, add a tiny bit of flour. I like it quite saucy. It's a case of adding the cheese, slowly keep stirring it, and just do it to taste. Everyone likes it differently. As I said, I've got a strong cheese. And once the pasta's done, drain it in, mix it together, season, job's a good one.